following county: Warren, New Jersey. Flood warning in effect until 6:15 p.m. this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following county: Warren. When? Until 6:15 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 2:09 p.m., gauge reports indicated flooding due to last night's heavy rainfall. Flood stage along the Beaver Brook at Belvedere is 4.5 feet, and this stage has been reached. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Belvedere. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The offshore